All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Feeling a lot better. Just had a little bit of a sore throat, but enough to go to work finally after a week. So my coworker was gone like 3 days as well last week, unrelated, but so he was working here 2 days at this job site without me. So as you can see, he got these pipes started out the bottom of the junction box, heading to these other two junction boxes. So these are just temporarily standing there. I'm pretty sure the place that we're working at, they're gonna mount those down to the ground. I don't think that we're doing that. But anyways, you'll see here in a second how far that we went. But we basically just worked on getting these 90s piped into the bottom of the second junction box right here for most of the day. So basically just cut these 6 pipes right here, threaded them, and then bent the 290s here. So my coworker basically, minus the 90s, he basically piped all that in 2 days, all the way back to the first junction box. Here's a little closer look. I would say it's probably at least 100 feet or more. So there's going to be 2 runs going straight right here, and then there's going to be another 2 on the other side of this yellow piece of metal right here. There's going to be these 2 pipes on the right side. They're going to offset 8 inches, and they're going to match these other 2 that are already there. And those will be going into the second junction box, which you'll see here shortly. So that means we'll have to mount a few more pieces of strut, and then go ahead and bend our offsets tomorrow, and then our 90s going into the bottom of this second junction box right here. And those will be an 8-inch offset around that yellow piece of metal right there, and they will be going under the stairs, so it won't be a tripping hazard or anything like that. So basically that's all we have to do, and then we should be done, assuming that my coworker finished the 90s into the MCC. But anyways, it's the 9th anniversary of my owning the 15-in-1 Mega Pro that my coworker bought me 9 years ago. So obviously I lost the first pair of strippers right there in that picture, but yeah, happy anniversary. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, the Mega Pro is one of my most sentimental value tools, just because I've had it the longest, and my coworker got it for me right when I started out. It was one of my first tools. That and the strippers were my first 2 tools. So always love that one. And then my original blue Klein Dykes, which are probably at least 7 years old. So anyways, those are kind of stripped out, or not stripped out, but just kind of the blade isn't as sharp anymore. So I obviously switched that out to my now glow-in-the-dark angled head, so Dykes. So anyways, skipping off of that, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. Going to be hitting 8,000 here in a few days, so I'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So don't forget to subscribe, and then check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And I made a second YouTube channel more for gaming and extra videos, but more heavy on the gaming right now, just because I have a whole bunch of gaming clips and stuff I want to upload. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to try to put that in my featured page, but it's also going to be, there's going to be a link in the description below to my second channel. Depends on if I can feature it or not, just because it's a brand new account, so might be too new to do that yet. But anyways, it's just called Daily Electrician Gaming and Extras. So if you guys are interested in that, more extra videos or gaming stuff, make sure to check that out and subscribe to that channel as well. I'd appreciate it. So far I got about like 7 subscribers. Anyways, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.